What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John. In today's video, I'm making a huge pizza. I'm making a huge pizza in the Gozney Arc XL. If you see my other videos, this is the newest oven that I've been using by Gozney. I really enjoyed this oven, so if you haven't checked out those videos, go ahead and do so now. Check those videos out on my channel. Again, I really love this oven. I've been experimenting with different videos, and today's video, because again the XL is a little bit bigger oven, or I guess you can say a bigger cooking surface area, I'm gonna try to max it out, and let's go for a 16-inch pizza. It's gonna be really simple. I have a pizza peel here. This is 16 inches, so I'm gonna again max it out on this. As well as I got my dough here. This is around 300 gram dough ball, so this should give us close to about a 14-inch, 16-inch pizza, which again, we're going for a 16-inch pizza. This is my 48-hour dough. So again, if this is something that you guys want to see me make, this specific recipe, it's a little bit different because I'm doing more of a New York style pizza. Go ahead and like this video now. Comment down below, and I'll go ahead and make sure to get that video to you guys here pretty soon. It's going to be a super simple pizza. Again, I have some grated Parmesan here. I have some whole milk mozzarella, and then I got my Bianco di Napoli tomatoes. Again, I'm going for a large pizza, again 16-inch New York style-ish pizza. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm not going to really talk too much or show you too much, I guess, of the pizza, because again, you've all seen that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that going here at this moment. And comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see me doing with the Arc. You guys want to see me do some more comparison videos. You want to see me do a dome comparison versus Arc XL, because I could definitely do that. So yeah, let me know. And I've had the Arc on now for about close to an hour or so, trying to get to the right temperature. All right, so here is the pizza. We're gonna go ahead and let's get this launched into the oven. I'm gonna go all the way to the back. And we're pulling all the way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just get this turned down just a little bit. We're just letting that bottom set. Let's actually get turned down just a little bit more. And you can see we're pretty close all the way to the back, all the way to the front. Here you can see that we're reaching that. Get my peel here. Got a little fire right there. Alright, so we're just gonna get our peel here. Turn your peel, and we're gonna slowly get it underneath there. Bottom's looking cooked, like it's getting cooked all the way around. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and kind of get this turned. Have a little fire. And definitely with the bigger pizza, it is a little bit tougher to spin around. But as you can see, we just want to make sure that bottom's cooking, getting that crust cooked all the way around. So let's get this peel under here again. And now this is going to be the tricky part, because now we're really close over here to the flame. So I want to make sure that we're not burning it. But you do want to get this spun around evenly, get that bottom cooked. Crusts look like it's cooking good, bottom is cooking nicely. And we're almost cooked here. Just want to get this crust cooked here on this side. Got a little burning. And we just want to cook just a little bit more here. Let's take a look at that crust. Just a little more here. And I think we are set. The bottom is cooked all the way around. So let's go ahead and get this inside. All right, so here is the pizza. Again, we did get a little burnt here. Again, this part was closer to the flame just because, again, it is a pretty big pizza. But let's go and take a measurement of this. Again, I'm at the very end here. And so we're looking about 15 inches this way and about 14 inches this way. So this is definitely a huge pizza that was maxed, almost pretty much maxed out in the Gozney Arc. As you can see, it's cooked all the way around. The crust is nice and crispy. The bottom, again, is nice and cooked all the way through as well. So this is the cheese pizza, huge pizza cooked in the Gozney Arc XL. Again, if this is something you like, check out my videos, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, like this video. Turn on that bell notification as well to be notified when I do make new videos. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.